notes for 8.3 of it's a parallelogram. When do we have enough information? When is it enough to know that it's a parallelogram? When both sets of opposite sides are congruent, we know it's a parallelogram. When both sets of opposite angles are congruent, we know it's a parallelogram. When one angle is supplementary to both of its neighbors, we know it's a parallelogram. When the diagonals bisect each other, we know it's a parallelogram. And when one pair of sides is both parallel and congruent, we know it's a parallelogram. And of course, by definition, if both pairs of opposite sides are parallel, we know it's a parallelogram. So, in this, the figure shows a swing blown to one side by the breeze. As long as the seat of the swing is parallel to the top bar, the swing makes a parallelogram. Top and bottom parallel, left and right, both pairs parallel. In this parallelogram, ABCD, DC is 2 feet long. So, AB, the top, if the bottom's 2 feet, opposite sides are congruent. The top is 2 feet. ED, diagonals bisect each other. DE is the same length as EB. AE is the length of EC. So if we need ED, then it's the same length as BE, and it tells us BE is 4.5 feet, so ED is 4.5 feet. And the next one, BD, if B to E is 4.5 and E to D is 4.5, then the segment sum, the sum of the segment is 4.5 plus 4.5 is 9. BD is 9. Measure of angle ABC. Well, the only angle it tells us is BAD. The one next to it is 75. Parallel lines, transversal, those two, same side interior, add up to 180. 180 minus 75, this one is 105. BCD is opposite it, so it's also 105. And ADC, let me say this again. Let me look at that. ABC is 105. BCD is not opposite, it's next to it. It's opposite this original, so it's 75. And ADC is opposite ABC, and those both are 105. Two of them 105, two of them 75. They add up to 360 because N, 4 sides minus 2, 2 times 180. Every quadrilateral adds up to 360. Here's another one, RS. We want to find out how long it is from R to S. Well, we know that R to S is x plus 3. Opposite it, P to Q is 2x. So 2x equals x plus 3. Subtract x from both sides, x equals 3. Plug 3 back in, 3 plus 3 is 6, or 2 times 3 is 6. R to S is 6. Measure of angle S. Well, we have 10n and 8n, and these two are supplementary. Same side interior. 10n plus 8n, 18n, n equals 10. This equals 100, and this equals 80. This equals 100. This equals 80. That's the type of problems you're doing on this. Remember, you can call, email, or join a Teams meeting to ask any questions. Thank you.